Hey, I'm Chris with Parker & Sons, and I've been working in-home plumbing for over 10 years now. And low water pressure in the summer is always a classic. So if you're noticing your sinks, showers, or sprinklers aren't doing their job, especially when it's 115 degrees outside, let's walk through some common reasons why that happens and what we can do to help you fix that. In this video, we're breaking down why Arizona summers, water demand, and shared lines can crush your water pressure, how mineral buildup and corrosion clogs things up, the sneaky signs of leaks, and how to spot and fix low water pressure problems caused by fixtures like faucets and shower heads. For each one, we'll give you a few things to look for and a few things that you can try yourself before you call in a pro. Whether you're a DIY type or just trying to figure out what's going on, we're here to help you get to the bottom of it. Arizona summers are no joke, and neither is the impact they have on your water pressure. When temps hit the triple digits, water usage spikes across the board. People are watering lawns, filling pools, running missing systems, and yes, taking extra long showers to survive the heat. Now combine that with shared water lines, which are super common in Arizona neighborhoods. That means multiple homes are pulling from the same main line all at once, especially during peak times, early mornings and evenings. It's like kind of trying to drink through a straw, while 5 other people are also trying to drink through the same straw. The result? Pressure drops. Quick tip, if you can try running appliances or watering plants during off-peak hours, think late morning or midday, you'll likely see a difference. Arizona has very hard water, which means that there's a bunch of minerals like calcium, magnesium floating around in it. Over time, those minerals build up in your pipes, faucets, and your shower heads, anywhere the water flows. And when enough of it collects, it shrinks the opening the water has to flow through, which results in, you guessed it, low water pressure. If you're looking for a solution to hard water, we've got a couple tips. Number 1, invest in a water softening system. This can help solve the problem from the jump. Number 2, if you're not ready for a water softener, soak your aerators and your shower heads in vinegar to break down mineral deposits. We'll talk you through that later on. Number 3, schedule regular plumbing maintenance to catch buildup before it becomes a problem. It's important to hire a licensed plumber who can flush your water heater, check for hidden leaks, and inspect your valves and pipes for mineral buildup. Staying on top of it keeps your water flowing strong and prevents bigger issues down the road. If your home was built before the 1970s, corrosion could be the culprit. Back then, plumbers commonly used cast iron or galvanized steel, both of which corrode over time, shrinking the diameter and limiting the water flow. Cast iron pipes from that era typically last around 80 years, but they slowly rust from the inside out, narrowing the flow path and sometimes developing leaks. Galvanized steel was also common pre-1960s, but the zinc coating wears off over time, exposing the steel rust, which can reduce pressure and even discolor the water. So if your house is 40 years or older, there's a good chance that it has cast iron or galvanized pipes that may be corroding. So here's a few things to keep an eye out for. Rust-colored water, low pressure throughout the house, visible corrosion on exposed pipes, and slow drains or sewer smells. So what's the fix? Unfortunately, this one's not usually a DIY job. If you're seeing any of those signs, or your house just fits the age range, it's a good idea to call a plumber. They can inspect your plumbing, often with a video scope, and let you know if there's a spot repair is enough, or if it's time to start talking about repiping. Leaks are sneaky. Sometimes they're obvious, like a puddle under the sink, but other times they're hiding in the walls, underground, or near the water heater. Even a small leak means water is getting diverted before it reaches where you need it, and that can seriously mess with your water pressure. Here's a quick tip you can try if you think you might have a leak. Turn off all the water in your house, check your water meter. If it's still moving, you probably have a leak, and you should call a plumber right away. This is definitely one of those sooner is better problems. The longer you wait, the more damage it can cause. Sometimes you're one of the lucky ones and the low water pressure is isolated to just one spot, like a faucet or shower head. This usually means the aerator or the fixture is clogged. This one's an easy DIY fix most homeowners can tackle themselves. Here's what to do. 1, turn off the water at the fixture, just in case. 2, unscrew the aerator from the end of the faucet or shower head. You might be able to do this by hand, or you might need a pair of pliers. 3, soak the parts in vinegar for about 30 to 60 minutes. This helps dissolve mineral buildup. 4, scrub off any debris with an old toothbrush or soft brush. 5, rinse everything clean with water. 6, reattach the aerator or fixture and turn the water back on and test the pressure. If it's still not flowing right, the clog might be deeper, or the fixture could just be worn out. In that case, it might be time for replacement. If you've tried the basic things and still feel off, it's probably time for a professional inspection. At Parker & Sons, we use fiber optic cameras to look inside your pipes without ripping open your walls or floors. We'll find the issue, show you what's going on, and help you figure out the best fix for your home and budget. So whether it's buildup, leaks, shared lines, or just the Arizona summer doing its thing, low water pressure is super common and usually fixable. If you're in the Phoenix or Tucson area and need a hand, our team is here to help. Give us a call. We'll check it out and get your pressure back to where it should be. Thanks for watching. Stay cool out there, and remember, timing is everything, especially when your neighbor's missing their cactus and you're just trying to rinse out your shampoo.